Addressing the gathering at the screening of the short documentary film titled Shi Kyntien, presented by Seng Khasi Kmie, Mawkhar, Shillong, at the Raj Bhavan on the 17th of June 2022, the Governor of Meghalaya, Satya Pal Mallik, expressed his delight to have watched this film, which he says sheds immense light on the Khasis and their way of life, belief and thought. The governor also encouraged the screening of more films to keep alive the infinite wisdom and beauty of the indigenous faith of the Khasis. The short documentary film Shi Kyntien is a spiritual journey from and into the foundations of Nyam Khasi, the indigenous faith of the Khasis, which is a unique bloom in a diverse garden of flowers nurtured by Mother India.
The film sheds immense light on the Khasis and their way of life, belief and thought. The deep wisdom, precious knowledge and universal teachings that are conveyed by the film are a treasure of the nation and of all mankind. I hope many more screenings will follow this one and that more such films are made that can enrich each and everyone. The film is a great example of one of our nation's most valuable assets, spiritual knowledge and teachings.
Untala Seng Kanyam Garukom, Viti Dustur, Kisang Yashinom, Kirat Kiit Kihima, Utrai Gandrat, Babu Batao. Nagnoru pet bishari baro kalongaman. Ladai ke por bansam yebha bat kibenta. Kumta darbar blay sa sisin kasyong. Bansingap banso kaya pan kaya saat nagi laipo ijingtao. Unyo trep unyo skum upan ka kamay ho. Uyo ka ktiin ka buit dingdo sinsyar. Ulang uhnyo pangsiat uhnyo spang. Uhnyo ringkau basapat unri kalong gentang.